So welcome back to my channel guys. Today in this video we're going to be seeing the unboxing of a new football freestyle shoes. So the shoes also used for futsal, which most of you know. So without wasting any time, let's just get into the video. So we just unbox the shoe and then we're going to test it out after this. So testing and the full review of the shoe will be uploaded to our channel. So till then, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you stay intact. So that's it for this video guys. Make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos.